This is a 1952 Ford Crestliner, two-door hardtop Victoria. And we'll check out the lights. There's your headlights. Brights and dims. Blinker, driver's side. Blinker, passenger side. Go around, look at, there's the horn. Nice trim all around, beautiful paint. That's a professional paint job. Nice interior. There's the wipers working. Interior is just like it was, came out from the factory. It's a yellow with a blue top. Nice wide wall tires. Just look at the trim. High gloss, everything, the paint's just high gloss. Everything is really nice. Good exhaust. We'll get inside there. A two-door hardtop, pretty rare. You don't see these too often. Oh. There's the driver's side blinker, passenger side blinker, brake lights. Full hubcaps. Everything works. Speedometer, all the gauges, lights, heater. The radio does not work. That is the original radio. Or I don't think it works.
No, it doesn't work.
Okay. Of course, the clock doesn't. Nice headliner. Beautiful seats. These have all been replaced and redone to factory original. And we'll take it for a little ride. It is an automatic transmission. Got the flathead V8 original. That's been rebuilt. And it just drives smooth and shifts nice. Anyways, if you're looking for a 1952 Ford Crestliner Victoria two-door hardtop, give Nick a call at 586-453-9316. It's Dream Cruise Classics at 586-453-9316.